Hey everybody, so today's workout is Jessica. And this, again, it's a metabolic workout. You're going to be working for 30 seconds on with a 30-second rest, and you're going to be alternating 3 different exercises. So the effect is a full body metabolic workout. Okay? So the first exercise you're going to do is your chin-ups, and you're going to get as many reps as you can get done in 30 seconds. And you rest and right in that resting 30 seconds. Then your next exercise is push-ups. Again, get as many as you can in that 30 seconds. Write it down how you did. Your last exercise is alternate leg, step back lunges. And again, you're doing as many as you can. Now, if you can crush it, add weight to it, that exercise, to make it harder to work those 30 seconds. Then that's one round. You're going to basically be repeating that for 21 minutes, which equals 7 rounds, 7 sets of each exercise. Your goal each time you repeat it is to increase your total rep count. Rest a couple minutes after you finish that. Then you're going to do a 5 MD of seated tucks at your level for the goal of getting as many reps as you can over that time.
Listen, she like Bay, she like Hova. Self-employed, moving paper better than some Billy boy. Made a choice on the regular, she bring a milli home. Click my phone, get my ass up, get a dinner going. Watch she out there, making sure that you all know. Baby won't sit, she can sit. Business lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and I cute. If she said loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. Baby need some time, she got time. Got your bank account and I cute. She can make it count, how about you? She be always making money. If it's raining, if it's sunny, she make time to